The moment your plane touches down in a new country, the world around you becomes a big puzzle. The signs you cannot read, the streets you do not know, the currency is different, and the language is different. People speak quickly, and it seems everyone knows where they are going except you. And you are standing in the arrivals hall, with your bag and fatigue covering your eyes. Your phone does not work, because your old SIM card does not cover this country. The airport offers free Wi-Fi, but it requires a local phone number to log in, and you do not have one. This is the traveler's nightmare. And this is why connectivity and internet are a top priority on any trip. The smart traveler does not buy a SIM card from the airport upon arrival. Not because he is stingy or only wants to save a few dollars, but because SIM card prices at airports are sometimes triple the normal price. A SIM card costing $50 at an airport kiosk, you can find for $15 at a shop outside the airport. But what if you do not want to leave the airport before having internet? What if you need to call someone as soon as you land? What if you want to call a taxi via an app, or check your hotel reservation? This is where the era of electronic SIM cards, or eSIM, comes in. eSIM means a built-in digital SIM card. You cannot see it, touch it, or need to install it in your phone. Most modern smartphones, from iPhone 11 onwards, and modern Android devices, support this technology. All you need is a small app. You buy a data plan from the app before you leave your home, sitting on your couch. You choose the country or region you are visiting. You choose the amount of data you need, 1 gigabyte, 5, 10, or unlimited. You choose the duration, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days. You pay through the app with your credit card. A message or QR code arrives on your phone, which you scan with your phone's camera. In seconds, the new eSIM is installed on your phone. And when your plane lands in the new country, your phone immediately connects to the local network, as if it were in its home country. No kiosks, no queues, no negotiations, no new language to deal with a sales clerk. The most famous eSIM apps among travelers worldwide are Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad. Airalo offers very cheap regional plans, such as AsiaLink covering several Asian countries with one card, and Eurolink covering all of Europe. Holafly is known for unlimited data plans, a feature not offered by many. Nomad offers excellent speeds in regions where other apps struggle with coverage. But the world of eSIM is wider than just these three. There are other global providers like Ubigi, Yesim, and Maya Mobile. All offer instant activation, wide coverage covering tens or hundreds of countries, and prices much cheaper than traditional airport SIM cards. These electronic cards are not just a means of communication. They are your digital key to the new city. Without them, you are blind in a city you do not know. But having internet is not just about convenience, it is a matter of safety and security. Public Wi-Fi in airports, cafes, hotels, and public places is one of the easiest and most common ways for hackers and network intruders to access your personal data. Some of these networks monitor your activity, collect your information, and store it. Some expose you to password theft, or theft of your private photos and messages. Some may be completely fake networks, created by a hacker sitting in the opposite corner of the airport lounge. These networks carry names similar to the official airport network. DXB Free WiFi might be real, or it might be fake. How do you tell the difference? You do not. The golden rule: never use any public Wi-Fi network without turning on a VPN first. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts all data you send and receive from your phone or computer. Even if you connect to a fake network, and a hacker is watching everything you do, they will only see a string of numbers and letters that are meaningless, encryption that cannot be easily deciphered. Trusted and paid VPN services such as NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN. They not only hide your geographical location, but encrypt your entire connection, protect your banking apps, passwords, photos, and messages. Do not travel without a VPN installed on your phone and computer. It is your digital shield in a world full of hackers. By the way, there are simple settings on your phone you should change before traveling. Turn off AirDrop on Apple devices, and turn off file sharing via Bluetooth on all devices. Do not leave these features open. They are windows through which strangers can send files to your phone, or receive files from your phone without your knowledge. Turn off automatic connection to Wi-Fi networks. You decide when to connect and which network to trust, not your phone. And avoid using public USB ports at airports and cafes to charge your phone. These ports may be modified, a practice called juice jacking. A hacker could inject malicious software into your phone just while charging. Always carry your own power bank, or use a regular wall outlet if available. Once you are securely connected to the internet, the new city becomes much easier to read and understand. Navigation apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Maps may turn confusing and complex streets into clear and simple paths. But there is an extra step you must do before leaving home, not upon arrival at the airport. Download offline maps. In Google Maps, you can select a specific area, a city or region, and download it to your phone. This downloaded map does not need internet to show you streets, buildings, and roads. Downloading offline maps is not an option, it is a necessity. Why? Because it saves you when the internet signal suddenly cuts out, or when your eSIM fails for any technical reason, or when you are deep inside a subway or train system where mobile phone signals do not reach. Offline maps give you walking routes, subway lines, bus routes, restaurants, landmarks, and even hidden small streets. Without internet, this map continues to work at full capacity. For navigating public transport within major cities, there are specialized apps often better than Google Maps. CityMapper, a great app, available in most major cities worldwide. It tells you which subway line to take, which station to get off at, and which exit to leave from specifically. It saves you minutes of unnecessary walking. Moovit, another very powerful app, especially in cities not covered by CityMapper. It provides accurate timetables for buses and trains, and tells you about real-time delays. Rome to Rio, this app is a little different. It specializes in travel between cities, not within them. You enter the names of two cities, and it shows you all possible routes between them. Train, bus, ferry, taxi, plane, with approximate prices, travel times, and direct booking links. An indispensable tool for those traveling between several cities on one trip. You cannot travel to a country whose language you do not speak without a good translation app. The most famous by far is Google Translate. It supports over 100 languages. You can do regular text translation, camera image translation, and real-time voice conversation translation. But its most important feature is offline language packs. Before traveling, download the language you need to your phone. You will not need internet to translate anything. But Google Translate is not the only one. Microsoft Translator, from Microsoft, is excellent for group conversations, where several people speak different languages at the same time. iTranslate, a paid app but very powerful, offers additional features like website translation. Say Hi, an app specialized in fast voice translation, suitable for short conversations with a taxi driver or shopkeeper. Papago, a great app for Asian languages, especially Korean, Japanese, and Chinese, as it understands the subtle cultural and linguistic nuances that Google Translate might miss. With these apps, you can travel to any country in the world, and you do not need to speak its language. Your phone will speak on your behalf.